Welcome to our jewellery making tutorial, where I will show you how to create a sparkling, flexible fitting crystal ring using Swarovski crystal beads. The strap will be created using jewellery-elastic-cord and seed beads, making it a flexible fit. To make the setting, I'm going to use 3mm sterling silver round beads, 3mm Swarovski crystal bicone beads in 2 colours, and a 1.8mm round sterling silver bead. The technique is 2 needle right angle weave, raw for short, embellished with crystal. Cut 50 to 60 centimetres of crystal fireline, 0.13mm diameter beading thread or similar. Put a size 10 needle on both ends of the thread. Using one of the needles, pick up 4 3mm round beads. Centralise your beads on the thread, then taking needle A, pass back through bead 1. Pick up onto thread A 2 3mm round beads. Pick up onto thread B 1 3mm round bead. Pass thread B back through bead 7. Pick up onto thread B 2 more 3mm round beads, and onto thread A 1 3mm round bead. Pass thread A back through bead 10 and snug your beads up. You are now in position to embellish your beads with your crystals. Pick up onto thread A a 3mm crystal bicone. Pick up onto thread B a 3mm bicone and a 1.8mm round bead. Pass thread A through the 1.8mm round bead in the opposite direction. Pick up a further crystal onto thread A and thread B. Pass both of your threads back through bead 7 in opposite directions. Repeat the previous instruction. Except this time you will thread your needle through bead 1. And again repeat the instruction one more time, and this time you will finish off by taking your needles back through bead 3. To firm up your work, I'm going to follow the natural thread path and tighten all my crystals. Tie off and stitch your ends into your work. To create the band, cut a 30 to 40 centimetre length of your jewellery elastic cord. Pass it through one of your end beads and centralise your thread. Pick up 2 size 11 beads and 1 size 9 bead onto thread A, and pick up 2 size 11 beads onto thread B. Pass your thread B through the size 9 seed bead, crossing your threads inside of the bead. Repeat the sections until you have enough for the length of your strap. On average, 8 to 9 sections will do the task. When you've added your last section, turn your work inside out and pass both threads in opposite directions through the sterling silver round bead. Tie off with a simple overhand knot. This knot is not hidden, but it is just at the back of your work. Pull your knot tight, firmly. Then cut off close to your knot.